Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing both phone and car so the connection is reliable. Plug a quality USB cable into the Corolla's USB port, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone, and open Android Auto. If the system prompts, allow permissions for contacts and media. This gives the head unit access to navigation and calls. Once done, follow on-screen pairing prompts in the car's infotainment system and accept prompts on your phone to trust the vehicle. Now you initiate Android Auto in the Corolla's touchscreen. Tap the Android Auto icon. When prompted, choose wired or wireless mode. Wired is more stable, wireless is convenient. Make sure you select preferred apps like Google Maps and Spotify so navigation and audio open automatically. If voice commands are important, enable Google Assistant access. This reduces touch interaction and keeps driving safer. Stay patient while the interface loads. Finally, use steering wheel buttons or voice to control Android Auto while driving. This minimizes distraction and lets you focus on the road. At trip end, disconnect the USB cable or exit the Android Auto app to return the Corolla's native interface. You can disable auto launch in settings if it opens undesired. If connection fails, restart your phone and car system first, swap to a known good data cable, and make sure both phone OS and the car's firmware are up to date as a primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.